All right, today is Wednesday, June 22nd, 2022. Let's take a look at the morning price action on the NASDAQ. Using the AbleTrend charts, it was another strong rip to the upside, same as yesterday morning. Kind of tough to get into though, following the trend chart. I had a difficult time pulling the trigger. I ended up, I hate to say it, but sitting on my hands all morning and not making any trades. But let's zoom into the price action and see what was going on. So right at market open, right in this area, I believe, yeah, this was the first bar, 6:30 a.m. We're, triple confirmation buy signal, 3-minute, 2-minute, 1-minute, and we got a neutral bar that came down and tested the 1-minute support. It bounced off with this long bar that closed around 503, opened around 63, so a 40-point bar right there, pretty large. I would not have jumped in there regardless, so I was sitting on my hands. This should have been my entry. I just didn't love it. Obviously, hindsight is 2020, and wish I would have jumped in, but I should have been long here around 5:30 or so. It would have come against me about 26 points, so pretty close to my typical 30-point stop. And then, as you can see, it just ripped to the upside. So right around 5:30, this was a high of 618. So huge run up there. Pulled back a little. Where am I? Pulled back a little bit to white bar exit, neutral bar exit would have had you out maybe around 92 or so. So long at 30, out at 92. So that's 62 points within, not that long. And then we had another sweet spot in this area right there, right where I have it circled. Should have been long here. Let's call it 600. Came against you about 17 points or so, and then just continued to the upside. What was that? It was 600. 2 white bar exit around that area, around 92 or so. Wouldn't have gotten hit. Moving it up, moving it up. This thing got to a high of 745. We were long, sorry. We were long at 600. So, just a good reminder for myself. You got to trust the signals. I just didn't like jumping in on 2 sweet spots to start the day. I was hoping for a little bit more of a pullback, come back, test 3-minute or something before resuming, but never happened. Very much a missed opportunity today. Happens though. So that was 2 great trends to the upside. Kind of stayed neutral for a while, and then it kind of broke through some of the support levels, and got a little bit of a selling momentum right here, a little bit of a downtrend, but it's kind of getting late in the morning for me. Let's take a look at the scalp chart. So kind of some neutral bars. Let's see if this one was valid. So it printed at 645. See if we have confluence on the trend chart, 645. Yep, sure enough, that printed at the exact same time that sweet spot printed. I find that does happen sometimes, actually. And so that would have been a good scalp trade, long at 520. Gave you a little bit more than 20 points there, about 30 points. So enough to scalp off of. Let's see if this one was valid with confluence. That printed at 654. And yep, right here. So long at 65 or so. And that got to a high of, 612. So that one was a really strong trade. So yeah, it looks like the scalp chart worked out nicely today also. 709. The confluence, is that in line with this one? Yep, it was right on the dot. So yeah, 7. Oh, geez Louise, where am I? 709 right here. Maybe long around 600. same story as that sweet spot went against you 17 points or so before just ripping to the upside. First test of a support level, that was about 71 or so. Oh yeah, got rejected nicely. Went a little bit more than 30 points in your favor. So yeah, scalp chart was really strong today. Actually, sometimes it doesn't work out as well when you have a strong trend like that to the upside. Kind of saw that yesterday, but yeah, that was let's see, one. This is a little too early for me. That's why I'm not looking at those trades. Getting about 15 minutes into the market here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. All four, winning trades. We gave you at least 15 points of profit. So that was a good day on both the trend chart and the scalp chart. I just need to trust the signals a little bit better and just jump on in and enjoy the ride. So that was Wednesday, June 22nd, 2022.